Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite place for all things smart shopping. Today, we're diving deep into the world of robot vacuums. That's right, folks, we're putting the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, aka Sharky, head-to-head against the Loorow 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum, affectionately known as Loorow. It's a battle of the bots, and only one will come out as the king of clean. So, buckle up, grab your popcorn, and let's get this robot rumble started. First up, let's talk suction power. Sharky here boasts some incredible suction. I mean, it sounds like the vacuum version of the Hulk, ready to smash dirt and debris on all floor types. Reviewers have praised its performance particularly on hardwood and carpet. But wait, Loorow on the right is no slouch either, flexing its muscles with an impressive 4,500 pascals suction power. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Users have highlighted its efficiency on various surfaces, making it a strong contender. So if you want your floors cleaner than your conscience after a cheat day, both of these bad boys have got you covered. Now, let's talk about the laziness factor. Sharky claims to empty itself into a bagless base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt. It's like having a butler who never takes a day off. No need to buy those pesky disposal bags either. Reviewers love this feature, but note that it's a bit loud. On the flip side, Loorow also offers 60 days of hands-free cleaning, but with a 3.2L dust bag that you will need to replace. Some users appreciate the simplicity of the bag system, while others find it a bit of a hassle. So if you prefer not to deal with bags, Sharky's got your back. But if you enjoy the occasional bag change, hey, to each their own, Loorow is your guy. All right, let's navigate our way into navigation. Sharky uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping. It's like having a mini Sherlock Holmes figuring out the layout of your home, detecting objects, and avoiding them like a pro. Reviewers have praised its mapping efficiency and ability to handle different floor types. Meanwhile, Loorow employs PreciSense LiDAR navigation, creating accurate maps and scanning your room's interior. It's like having a mini architect designing a cleaning blueprint. Users commend its superior mapping and efficient cleaning paths. Bottom line, both are smarter than your average GPS and will get the job done without crashing into your furniture. Pet owners, listen up. Sharky is marketed as perfect for homes with pets. With its self-cleaning brush roll and powerful suction, it's like having a personal pet hair terminator. Reviewers have found it effective in picking up pet hair and requiring minimal maintenance. But don't count Loorow out just yet. Its 4,500 pascals suction ensures that even the deepest pet hair in your carpets gets the boot. Users have highlighted its efficiency in handling pet hair and its large dust bin capacity. So whether you have a shedding machine disguised as a dog, or a cat who thinks your house is a fur factory, both Sharky and Loorow are ready for the challenge. Let's talk tech. Sharky offers hands-free control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate cleans all with the sound of your voice. Reviewers appreciate the simplicity of the app, but note the lack of some advanced features. Loorow, on the other hand, takes it a step further with its app, offering 6 different cleaning modes and the ability to customize your clean by setting virtual walls and no-go zones. Users love the versatility and customization options, although the app can be a bit tricky to navigate at first. It's basically like playing a video game, but with real-life benefits. And finally, the price tag. Both Sharky and Loorow come in at a cool $599. So no matter which one you choose, your wallet will feel the same burn. But hey, think of it as an investment in never having to vacuum manually again. Reviews for both products suggest they offer good value for the price, despite some minor drawbacks. That's priceless, right? Overall, Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is praised for its powerful suction, effective pet hair handling, and convenient self-emptying feature, although some users find the app lacking in advanced functionalities. On the other hand, Loorow 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum receives accolades for its strong suction, versatile cleaning modes, and efficient mapping, with minor criticisms regarding the app's user-friendliness and battery life. So there you have it, folks. The battle of the bots. Sharky versus Loorow. Both have their strengths, and honestly, you can't go wrong with either. But remember, the best vacuum is the one that fits your lifestyle and cleaning needs. Make sure to drop a comment below and let us know which robot vacuum you're rooting for. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it smart, and always buy smart. Product links are in the description.